6-foot pellet boards. Just stop a little bit of the rain.
One 3/4 screws?
Yep, same thing, yep. Thing about I'm gonna have that at the cabin, but you got to bring the compressor out, and you got to have the generator running. It's quite a process. Makes it a lot easier.
Discard. So you cut up all the planks first?
Yeah, I cut them
to size and stuff, and then
I
makes the job go quicker.
A little bit off the ground there.
Mm-hmm. This is very similar to how we put in the finished stuff around the roof.
If we have the same luck as we had with the...
That would make it 5 for 5. If we did it. Touch wood. A little too long?
Bowed too much.
Well, he looked like he was kind of bent in half there.
The old day you used to have to either pilot drill a hole and then put the finishing nail in, or you have to try to pound it with a hammer, and it was, you always did damage.
Mm-hmm. So this because these nails are so fine like wire that you've got no worries about splitting the board.
Well, and then it sets them, if you get the air pressure right, it sets them right down in the... So
recess so they're not proud, yeah.
That's right. I kind of knew it was going to take a lot of boards. What we're going to have to do is get some more
Pellets from the co-op.
Yeah. See, they got a lot of pallets there that,
Broken up, and
yeah.
they want them out of there, so we
Yeah.
could take them off their hands.
Yeah, it would actually be pretty good for siding.
So salvage the good stuff.
Yeah.
What? Really? 5 for 5.
Close, man. Close. That's crazy.
It is. Oh, one done. That's cool. It'll do.
It'll do.
Just gotta stain it.
Is all the boards there is?
Yes, sir. There's one here with a nail in it, but you didn't like it.
Oh yeah, you just gotta take.
What happened?
Wasn't paying attention. There we go. Could you give me another slide of the nails here, please?
Yep. Oh, I gave you 2.
Yeah, another couple pallets, I think.
And we can finish it off. And when I say we, I mean you.